BENTOBEN 2-in-1 Apple Watch and Cell Phone Stand. Hi, here's the quick look for BENTOBEN 2-in-1 Apple Watch and Cell Phone Stand. The stand is made of flexible silicone and hard PC, anti-scratch and sturdy. There are 3 colors: rose gold, white and space gray. Now, I'll show you how to do it. When we finish, we can't disassemble it. The soft charger hole and wire slot make it easy to put in the Apple Watch charger. Support nightstand mode. The right in-shape hole and a full design keep your desk organized and neatly. The stand is perfect for nightstand, kitchen, dining table, office and gifting. BENTOBEN 2-in-1 Apple Watch and Cell Phone Stand is compatible with all Apple Watches, cell phones and most tablets. BENTOBEN, enrich your life.